everyone! Welcome back to another fun drawing lesson. Today we are drawing two cute clouds with a beautiful rainbow and a little heart in the middle. First, let's draw our left cloud. Start some small and big bumps around the top to make it look fluffy. Connect the lines together and complete the cloud shape. Great job! Our first cloud is ready. Now, let's draw the second cloud on the right side. Just like before, draw a soft, fluffy cloud shape using smooth, rounded curves. Give our cloud a cute, puffy look. Connect everything together. Wonderful! Now we have two fluffy clouds. Now, draw two big round eyes. Then, draw a tiny curved smile. Our cloud is smiling. Now, let's draw two happy closed eyes using curved lines. Then, add a small, sweet smile. Aw, both clouds look so happy. Next, we are going to draw a beautiful rainbow above the clouds. Start with a large, curved arch, going from the left cloud to the right cloud. Then, draw another curved line inside the first arch. Keep adding curved lines, one inside another, until you have several rainbow bands. Take your time and make each curve nice and smooth. Awesome! Our rainbow is taking shape. Now, let's add a little heart between the two clouds. Perfect! Our little heart is ready. Add simple curved lines on the sides of the clouds to look like cute little arms. Great work, little artists! Now comes the fun part, coloring. Let's color the rainbow with bright, happy colors. Start with red. Next, use orange. Then add yellow. After yellow, use green. Next comes blue. Then add dark blue. And finally, add purple. Wow, look at that beautiful rainbow. Now, color the little heart with red. Now let's color our clouds. Use light blue around the edges of the clouds to give them a soft, colorful outline. Keep the inside of the clouds nice and bright. And there we go! Our drawing is bright, colorful, and super cute. Keep practicing your drawing skills and don't forget to use your favorite colors. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your